Hey, welcome back to Market Secrets. Today will be the last part of the 5-part series about qualifying income, and I'm very excited because this is gonna have one of the really cool income that you can use. So let's start it. First type of income for today is the temporarily leave income. If you are in a situation where you are currently in temporary leave and you know that you will come back to work, the income during the time that you take off can be used to qualify for mortgage. Or actually sometimes the lender still can use your regular income. As long as you have a document from your employer stating that when you are coming back and what is your regular income at that moment. Now, if you come back before the first date of the notes. So for example, if your first note is on June 1st, but you come back May 15th, then the lender can continue to use your regular income without any kind of issue. However, if you are come back after the first day, they're gonna use the lesser amount between the temporary leave income and your regular income. So keep that in mind. As long as you have the documentation from the employers to state that how much you can get paid during the temporary leave or what your regular income is and when are you coming back to work. Make sure you have that date. Make sure you have the comeback date, or else they will not be able to use the temporary leave income at all. However, there's a small little good news is that let's say your temporary leave income is short and you might not have enough income to qualify. So they can actually use that available asset, divide by the month remaining between the day that you currently are until the day you come back to work. So let's say you have 2 months left on your temporary leave and you have available of $10,000 in your bank statements. They can actually take that $10,000 divided by 2 and supplement the missing income between your temporary income and your regular income. And that can also help, boosting your monthly income to qualify for mortgage. Second part for today, the tip income. There's a lot of our clients are in the service industry, hospitality industry, and you're receiving tips as a part of your income. The good news is that we can use that as a qualified income as long as you have the documentation that you've been receiving this for at least 2 years. Either it had to be shown on the tax returns. If you receive tips, please make sure you report it in order for us to use the qualified income. And of course, it have to also shows on the pay stub when the employer pay you. This third one, this is one of my favorites type of income. It's called trust income. So for high net worth individual, a lot of time as a business owner, you don't show a lot of income on your tax return. However, you have a large sum of amount of money in different type of bank account. You can actually use this available liquid assets to qualify income. You create a living trust, put yourself and your spouse as the trustee, truster, and the guardians of this living trust. And then we can use this divide by 36, and that can be a part of the monthly income for you to qualify. And sometimes if you don't even need that much, then you can just state it how much you're receiving from this trust account. So that's a trust income. You only need to show one time of receiving this type of income, and as long as it lasts for at least 3 years. And also, if you want to know how to create a living trust, it's very simple. It only takes, 20 minutes. If you have more questions about this living trust, feel free to give me a call, leave a comment below. Number 4 for today. Contradicted to a lot of belief that unemployment benefit cannot be used for qualifying income. A part of it is true. If you just recently received unemployment benefits, you cannot use it as a qualifying income. However, if you have been receiving this for 2 years and you report it on your tax return, we can actually use this as a part of your income in order to qualify for your mortgage. But remember, you have to have either 1099 or tax return to show that you have been receiving this type of income for at least 2 years. This type of income are very popular among the seasonal workers. So some individuals, you work 6 months of a year and the remaining 6 months you're receiving unemployment, and that's been going on for at least 2 years. That is something that the lender allow for the unemployment benefit to be qualified as a part of the income for your mortgage. And last but not least, of today and the whole series for qualifying income for mortgage is the VA benefits. As you know, besides you receiving the disability check, you might receive also housing benefits and allowance. Those type of income can be used to qualify for mortgage. But just like others income I mentioned throughout the series, as long as we have a document show that you are receiving the benefits the VA benefits, and it's going to continue for at least 3 years, then we can use this kind of income. The only thing that you cannot use is the education benefits, because that's for you to go to school only. But others is housings, and sometimes food allowance can also be used to qualify for mortgage. So, well, thank you for watching the whole income series. Today is the last part, and I hope that with the 20 plus different type of income, you will be able to find the combinations or just what you are receiving as part of the qualified income and help you qualify for mortgage. And if you have any question or have any concern, feel free to comment below or DM me, and I will be happy to answer any question you have. If you like what you see and find this beneficial, feel free to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell notifications so that you don't miss out on the future videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.